trot. You want a working trot? Imagine what it would be if you didn't have your ear nets on, buddy. Nope. He has relaxed to the point that I can use the rein to swipe the bugs off of him. But he has started collecting himself and using himself well enough that we're tight. We have to keep tightening the breeching on him. We were on the second hole on each side when we started, and now we're on the fourth hole on each side. So he is pulling himself together more and more. And it's still just a little bit loose, and that's fine. That's okay. Big sprinkler. No, we are not going to go play in the sprinkler. Nikki will go play in the sprinkler. We're not going to. That's a good boy. That's interesting because usually they stop and they poke their heads in that culvert, and today I would bet there are rattlesnakes around because they don't want anything to do with the culvert. Yes, I know there are bugs everywhere, and there's not a thing I can do. We've sprayed you, so you're in as good shape as we can get. There you go. Yeah, it's an old junk pile being cleaned out a little bit at a time. Nope, we're not going down that road. That road goes nowhere. All right, if you're going to relax a little bit, we'll take the field road. And just follow the crop around. Yep, you pay attention. These guys have grown up with, no, we're not doing that. They have grown up with prairie dog holes in spite of our best efforts. First the prairie dogs dig the holes, and even if we go out and poison the prairie dogs and cover up the holes, then the burrowing owls come along and they dig the holes out, and the rattlesnakes take over. Let's stay this way and avoid the ant hole. So it's a never-ending battle. Look at you. This is a nice, relaxed trot. I like this. That's a happy boy up there. We've blown off some of the full moon. Buster? Whoa. Whoa. What a good boy. Never touched his mouth. Let's walk on. Buster, walk on. Good boy. Are you ready for a working trot, or you want to walk for a little while? Let's walk on. Where are you going? Are you pretending to be breezy today? Walk on. Walk on. Yeah, you don't know where we're going, do you? Pay attention to me, please. Working trot. If you're going to turn into a rubber band, we're going to trot. I've got a better handle on you that way. When they're walking, they have too much opportunity to do things. No, we are not going into the field. Okay. He has his tail over the rein. He obviously isn't caring much about it. I would rather have the freedom of having my rein straight. And what I teach them, what I do with my horses is, I get them going steady forward, drop my left rein in this case, and bring it out from under the tail and come back, and I don't change the tension on my right rein, and by doing that they know they are to continue on in a straight line. Oh, you're getting wiggly even at a trot. Yes, you are. You're getting wiggly. Bugs are driving him crazy. There we go. A number of years ago, I had a friend named Betty Cherry in Colorado, and she left me all of her harnesses and carriages, and this harness has been about the most useful simply because it's large pony size, so it fits my youngsters very nicely. It is a Zilco. It's handy because being a plastic harness, I can just rinse it off. You keep that up with your tail, young man. I'm going to braid your tail and put my foot on it. Ugh. I just got nailed in the forehead by a bug. There go the antelope. If we do things right, the dogs won't spot them and chase them. There goes the whole family. There are 5 babies this year. Life gets exciting when you're driving along and a deer comes crashing out of the corn. That changes your life rather abruptly. What a good boy. It's always worth it to keep track of things like, no, we can't go with her. It was a good boy. That was a good boy, yes. The dogs will go into the crops to where the sprinkler's been running and get a drink out of the sprinkler tracks, or lie down in the sprinkler tracks. And as you see, we have had just enough rain to make the dogs a muddy mess. You know, you gave a pretty darn good bunch of trot for about 2.5